One of the best of working here at UOC is flexibility. At least in my position, I can do almost what I want. I have full flexibility to work on different topics. I think everybody here is proactive, it's challenging itself, it's ambitious. This is kind of contributing to everybody to make this university work in a very fast pace. UOC gives equal opportunities to everybody, and this is something that the team members and the professors at the computer science department know, and I think everybody has this value. So in our research group, we work on communication technologies, but every now and then we think and we stop and we look at the society and we ask ourselves, what are we doing is useful for the society, and if it makes sense to that improvement in the technology, and how we can put that technology maybe in the use of the society. And I think this is very important for a research center. Research by the challenge of doing research doesn't make any sense if you cannot impact at the people. The trajectory I had, it's been based on hard work. So I tried to put a lot of effort to develop myself, to learn, to be engaged in the activities of the different departments. I would recommend someone that works outside, works in another institution, to come to work with us. I think we have a big challenge in front of us. We are a young university, we are a young research center, but this gives us a lot of flexibility, gives us a lot of opportunities to do things maybe in a different manner without having barriers or restrictions in many aspects that other bigger or consolidated institutions have. UOC is putting all the efforts, and I think it's only a matter of time so we can start being well positioned internationally.